Hey guys, welcome to our channel.
Today I'm going to be showing a video on how to make these cute turban headbands that are super easy and very quick. It took me literally maybe 10 minutes to make them. If you have a serger, it makes it even much quicker, but they're so cute. You can do twins. I can even make one for her baby doll. So I am going to show you guys how I did this. So if you want to see how we make these cute turban headbands,
Keep on watching.
You're first going to want to start off by getting your favorite knit fabric, anything that has a good amount of stretch to. The measurements that I'll be using to cut out, I'll have them down in the description below for you. I'm going to be making an adult size as well as a toddler size today. So for the adult size, I'm going to be cutting it 22 inches width and 8 inches long. Now that you got those measurements cut out, you're going to fold your fabric in half, right sides together, and sew along the top. I'm going to be using my serger for this step because I find it much quicker, but if you don't have a serger, you can also use a sewing machine and just make sure that you use a zigzag stitch. That way your seams won't pop once you stretch it. If you use a straight stitch, your strings may pop. That was such a tongue twister right there. So once you're done with that, you're going to turn your headband in right sides out. Together, and you're going to place the front in the middle of the seam, if that makes sense, and cross over that front, fold over that front piece of the headband to the back, and bring that back headband and fold it into the front, and then sew or serge. I'll repeat it if you guys didn't quite understand. If I didn't make sense, just watch me as I do it. It's pretty simple. Fold back and then fold forward. See, and it's that simple. In less than 10 minutes, you got yourself a faux turban headband. Super cute and really quick. If you really enjoyed this video, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and comment down below what other craft videos you guys want to see me doing next.